Hello everybody, this is J. Cristal on TikTok. Y'all see my sample has finally came. You see the box, nice box. Let's see what I got. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what I got. Let's see. Y'all see you came in some nice. Y'all see it. Cut up some meat. Cut up some fruit. Y'all see those designs on it. Y'all see the handle. Y'all see the color can. Cut up the meat, steak, apples and oranges. See it? See it now? And getting like that nice holding handle. Y'all see it? Make sure y'all go get y'all one today now. When y'all want to cut y'all fruits and vegetables and different things. Get y'all one of these y'all meats. Get y'all one of these. You know,